Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please, if this is the first time watching my video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to download TikTok video without watermark and use it the same TikTok, use it anywhere you want to use it without watermark. The reason why I'm doing this video is that a lot of my friends have been asking me, why is it that I posted something on my status with watermark and here is it on your status without watermark? Let me show you an example with a video like this. You can see this video where a friend of mine posted it on his WhatsApp status, and I just check on the username, headed straight to TikTok and download it. When you check it, this is a said video without watermark. Okay, so if you want to learn how to do this, just watch this video, don't skip any part. Okay, what you just need to do is head into Play Store and search for SnapTok. Okay, when you head into Play Store, search for SnapTok. Here we go, SnapTok. Okay, it's already installed on my system, so if you haven't installed it, just click on install and it's going to install. Wait for it to install. So just go to TikTok. Okay, when you head straight to TikTok, when you log into the TikTok app, you just have to just select video you want to use. So I think I'm gonna be selecting this video. Okay, so you just have to click on share. When you click on share, it's gonna open, then you just wait straight to see more. Okay, or others. Yeah, others. You have to click on. When you click on others, it's gonna show you to copy the link of this said video. Okay, when you copy the link on this video, then you come back to your SnapTok app. Okay, when you come here to SnapTok, you open your SnapTok app. You just have to wait for it to open, and the only thing is that it's gonna run a little bit ads. Okay, on the app, it's gonna run a little bit adverts on the app. So if you want to update it, you update it. If you don't want to, you click on cancel. Just wait for it to load. Okay, it's gonna paste the link automatically and the video will show up here. Can you see the video? So just click on no watermark. Okay, when you click on no watermark, the video has been downloaded. So when you play it, you can see that here we go with the video. It's gonna play without watermark. Can you see that? So if you're doubting this, when you comment through here to your photos, okay, when you head straight to your photos, you're gonna see that it doesn't have watermark, so we just have to wait here. Okay, so here we go. This is the video and it doesn't have watermark. Can you see that? So you can see this are some videos again I downloaded from TikTok without watermark. So here we go. This is how to download TikTok videos without watermark. Please, if you find this video really helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates and video like this, and click on the notification button so that you'll be notified when I drop a new video.